All right, let's take a look at what we're growing this year in my front garden. My back garden I have like garlic and cabbage and stuff like that, but in the front I have mostly peppers. So let's take a look. Here you can see some cucumber plants and cucumber zucchini. I forgot to label them, so I'm not sure which one is what. It's a pumpkin there, some kale here, some more seedlings. All right, let's go to this way. Now, here you can see lemon plant. See, you get already a bunch of lemons growing, so it looks like we're gonna have like 30-40 lemons this year. All right, so I ordered this online. They shipped it to me in a box, and so I have it for 3 years already. So in the winter I bring it inside, and I'll winter it from like it's November till April. Look, a lanternfly. I have to kill that guy in a bit. I won't zoom in. There he is. Invasive species. Alright, then the next thing I have here is a fig plant. Fig tree, I guess. So I got this one a couple of months back, two months ago. So this is a black Zadar. So it comes from Croatia. Zadar is it's a town there, used to be Zara or Zara in Italian, where the Maraschinos come from. Alright, then we have some peppers here. Let's see, Black Panther. What's this? This is a red ghost pepper. Ahi. Jalapeno. This I got from a farm. Wisi, I think. I'm not sure. My son planted some of these. So okay, let's go this way. Strawberry plant. Couple of jalapenos here. Ajvar. So this is a red pepper. It's not spicy. It's sweet. So what you do with this, you make like a pepper relish that I make in the Balkans. It's called Ajvar. So basically, you take the pepper, you take eggplant, you take garlic, you roast it, you mix it all together, put some olive oil, put it in the fridge, let it cool off, and you eat it with meats or with bread or things like that. It's delicious. All right, what do we have here? Orange habanero, red habanero. These are Cubanello, so they're frying peppers or grilling peppers. Then we have a couple of basils here. Alright, on this side we have a white ghost pepper. This is what I want to see. Last year I had ghost pepper, I had reaper, and I had a scorpion pepper, all three of them. And by mistake, I put one under my food one day. I was cooking with it, and everybody started coughing on the second floor. All the fumes went up. So yeah, that was. But I ate it because I had made a lot of food. I didn't want to throw it out, so that took me a while to eat. Hot Thai pepper. Another Cuban right here. And what do we have here? Another Ajvar. This one looks nice, pretty big. And I have two blueberry bushes here. This one had fruits this year. I already ate them. And this one does not yet. So when I bought these, they told me it could take up to 3 years for them to produce fruit. So I don't know. This one did it right away. So yeah, so those are some of my vegetables this year in the front garden. We have a strawberry here. I'll eat that soon. I'm gonna repot this one. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoy it, and I'll be back in a couple of weeks to give an update to see if we have some fruits here.